Hello! In front of me I have AGPTEK LW11 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity levels on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the settings icon that looks like the wheel cog wheel rather. Tap on this icon to enter the settings, and in settings you should see the option called vibration intensity. Tap on it, and here we can adjust the vibration intensity levels by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the level you would like to use, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. After you confirm, you will have the preview of the vibration level. Like this. And once you're done and you selected your preferred level of vibration, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.